guys, so looking Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2011 Holden Captiva, stock number 7104. It's ran from the 1st 2011 to the 6th 2018. It has a Z22 D1 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a Z22 D1 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front headlight. Left front 19-inch factory American tyre, left hand door mirror, left rear door one dent, left rear 19-inch factory American tyre, right hand taillight, right rear 19-inch factory American tyre, right rear door 2 dents, right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front headlight, right front 19-inch factory American tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic air shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, display cluster, interior mirror, front caddy slab, sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,